In this video, I'm going to give you a couple tips and tricks to make cleaning up your Google Drive a bit easier. First of all, in our Google Drive, we want to make sure we're in My Drive. These tools here can be helpful, but not for the cleaning up of the things that we have in our Google Drive. So I'm here in my Google Drive, and as you can see, I have a lot of folders that I've already made. There's other videos on how to make a folder, but a quick review is to click on New, make a new folder, name it what you'd like, and click Create. I have a bunch of folders, and I'm going to need to clean out those folders as well. I have a lot to do. One way to get rid of things in your Google Drive is to click the three circles here and move it to the trash. So if I want to move it to the trash, I can click on it, and I will get an "Oops, are you sure?" message. It tells me that this document will be deleted forever after 30 days. So if I click Move to Trash and change my mind, I can go into my trash and it'll be here for 30 days. In 31 days, it will be gone. So if you accidentally put that in there, you can click these three dots again and restore it. If you click Delete Forever, it will delete forever. So I'm going to click Restore, and it will go back into my Google Drive. And you can see, there it is. I have a whole bunch of untitled things and some weird pictures, things I don't need. I can go through each one and click the three dots and move to trash. Or I can hold down the Control key, tap, 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 and I can click and drag all of them to the trash at one time. Now, if it's a mistake or I'm not feeling comfortable with that, I can cancel. If I move it to trash and then I panic, I'll have 10 seconds to undo that move. So it will bring it back just in case I think I might have deleted something I needed. I like to clean out my Google Drive with this tool. But sometimes, if I'm in a folder and I want to see how old some of this is, I click the line tool. What's kind of scary here is that I can see when things were last modified. This was last done in 2017. I probably don't need that anymore. See the three dots? I can move to trash. So I'm in my Ike folder. I can go back to my drive, and you can see here there's also the last modified date here. So some things are recent, some things are older. Another way to find things you don't need is to come up to the search bar. And in the search bar, you can look for all of your presentations. And you can see that I have a bunch of presentations. These portfolios are things I'm working on, so I don't want to delete those. But as I scroll down, I might go, oh yeah, I don't need this anymore, and I can move it to the trash. Another way to look for things, I can find documents here, spreadsheets, presentations, but I don't see drawings. I can go to Advanced Search, and I can find any type of file, and there's drawings. The owner can be me, or it can be owned by someone other than me. So if someone shared drawings with you and you don't need those anymore, you can check and see. I don't have any. I've gotten rid of all of them. Yay! All right. This advanced search tool, which I clicked here, or you can click here, has a lot of cool features. So if it has the words untitled in it, all of these items have the word untitled in them. I know I don't need this anymore or this, so I can hold down the Control key, delete these items, and take them to the trash. So I want you to go through your drive, click on your Google Drive, and look and see what's there. If there are things you've created, things you've made, pictures you're proud of, keep those. Please keep those. But if you have 45 copies of something you did in the 3rd grade, you only need one. So go through and clean out anything you don't need, anything you don't want. My goal is always to have these things in the files down here, are the things that I'm actually using. If I don't need them anymore, I put them in a folder. And if I say, oh, needs to go somewhere else, I can drag this into the folder it belongs. So if I'm finished with these things, this can go into my pictures folder. I always have a pictures folder, and I can put these things away. So, purge, get rid of things you don't need. Look for slides that you don't need. Look for docs that you don't need. Look for drawings you don't need, and purge. Good luck.